Well, every time you come here, you find another car that I've never seen before. This is a Henry J. That's the name of the brand.
This guy what he's got in his engine.
Yeah, and then it's a Corsair. It's a Corsair model, 1952 Henry J. Did you ever hear about Henry J? No. Got the transmission cooler right here. You see the electrics right there. It's easy to get at. It's got some kind of aftermarket LT1 350 in there. So, I never seen a Henry J in my life, man. I wonder where you see, like, you gotta find new lenses for that. It's ridiculous. And it's a mover, LT1 350. Got the aftermarket seats in there with the houndstooth pattern, the 4-speed. Oh, it's automatic. Automatic, yeah. That's what I said. I mentioned the transmission cooler in the front of the radiator. So, yeah, this is what I thought it was. Somebody said it was a Kaiser, but no, it's a Henry J. See that? And the model is a Corsair.
So more of you guys get up here. Let's go. Come on.
So, this is a Henry J. That's the name of the company.
Let's go.
Henry J. Kaiser.
Oh, it's Henry J. Kaiser. It is a Kaiser then. Okay. Henry J. Kaiser. That's the whole guy's name, huh?
Yeah.
So you call this? Did he have a branch called Henry J?
Go body box
Manufactured this car, then he hooked up with a guy, Frazier, and it was a Kaiser Frazier automobile.
I heard of that. I never heard of Henry J,
It's
man.
Henry J. from 51 to 54.
Okay.
Very first car, about 14 years old.
You notice the back window too. It's got like a sculpted in there a little bit.
I never thought I'd see another one.
See that?
So you had what? You don't see many of them on the street.